Relationship between AI, artificial intelligence, and robotics is deeply intertwined, with each field influencing and enhancing the other in various ways. Here are some key aspects of their relationship. Enabling intelligent behavior in robots. AI provides the intellectual capabilities necessary for robots to perceive, reason, learn, and act autonomously or semi-autonomously. Through AI techniques such as machine learning and deep learning, robots can analyze sensor data, recognize patterns, make decisions, and adapt to changing environments. Enhancing human-robot interaction. AI-powered natural language processing and understanding enable robots to communicate with humans through speech or text. Machine learning algorithms enable robots to understand human gestures, expressions, and behaviors, enhancing their ability to collaborate with humans. Optimizing robotics control systems. AI techniques such as reinforcement learning can be used to optimize control policies for robots, enabling them to perform tasks more efficiently and adapt to uncertainties in their environment. AI-based planning decision-making algorithms help robots generate optimal paths, trajectories, and action sequences to achieve their objectives. Enabling perception and sensing. AI algorithms play a crucial role in processing and interpreting sensory data from cameras, LiDAR, radar, and other sensors mounted on robots. Facilitating autonomous operation. AI enables robots to operate autonomously in complex and dynamic environments without constant human supervision. Autonomous robots equipped with AI capabilities can perform tasks such as exploration, mapping,